Strange fact: Victorian doctors used to prescribe a trip to the beach. Seaside trips became very popular in the Victorian times. Doctors would sometimes prescribe their patients a visit to the seaside, rather than medicine. They called it a change of air, and it was thought to help restore and revitalize health.